back it up then, if you want to tell me when to stop. I'll get the truck into its location now.
So basically the job that we're doing today, we have a large glass panel that needs to go to the rooftop of the Emporium Hotel here in South Brisbane. The method we had to go with was lifting the panel using a helicopter. It's pretty much minute by minute how this has to run from about 5:30, so it's a bit of a logistical nightmare, to be honest with you, but yeah, from about 5:30 onwards there's going to be a lot of people moving, and funnily enough though, once that panel does get lifted with the helicopter, you're looking at about 5-10 minutes and the job should be done. So it's about 3 or 4 months worth of planning that have gone into this for about 10 minutes worth of work. But yeah, that's pretty much it, essentially.
Everything's pre-rigged, so then the guys aren't going to have to juggle with the straps. Okay, good.
So that's these ones.
That's them. Yeah. As soon as that weight gets taken, they're already set to height. Oh, good. Yeah. You don't have to be low, as long as I've got a visual on it.
So if anything happens here, the emergency evacuations point is at the flight centre building.
How's everything going?
Yeah, going good, mate. Everything's on track. The helicopter at the moment is all hooked up down on ground level. So we've just finished our debrief, or the brief this morning, to run through everything as a team. So at the moment we've got our guys up on the top floor here to catch the tag lines as it comes up. So in about 5-10 minutes time, the chopper will start his engines. We'll start to lift the chopper up to fly across this path straight through here, up through the centre of this roof which we've opened up, and landing on the A-frame. We've been prepping this for the last 2 days, so everyone knows their roles down to the minute. So mate, everything should go perfect.
I think it's on video.
Yeah, but it's not recording yet.
Yeah. Battery. No, I just took a photo. No, I turned it off. Never mind. Hold up. I think
Pairing on, pairing on.
No, it's pairing off.
So you guys up there ready, mate? That was incredible. Credit to the chopper pilot and the boys. They've really made it into something incredible.